Hey everyone, Gabriel here from Sky Scaling. Now, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to jump right into this. So this is going to be a quick sort of debrief on a campaign we've been running for a client out of BC for the last 2 weeks or so. And this client has had a pretty nice return on investment on this campaign. So that's exactly what we will be breaking down. So here are the campaign metrics. Now, this client does want to stay anonymous, which I completely respect, but here are the campaign metrics. So we spent just about $557 on this campaign so far. You can see we have a pretty decent click-through rate. We've been able to generate 12 leads. Cost per lead is $46. Got one close, $5,400 return. Was actually a couple buying term life. So it's a mortgage insurance campaign, essentially getting people that have mortgage insurance with their banks and switching that over to an independent policy with an actual insurance company. Return on investment was $868. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'll actually show you guys the exact creative we're running. And you'll be able to sort of actually understand what's being said in the ad and how we're getting these leads to actually come through. So I think that's pretty much it, right? Mortgage insurance, 557, 12 leads. Again, cost per lead was $46. And here is the exact process that we use to get those prospects not only qualified, but to have a conversation with our client. So the Sky Scaling engine, which is the process we use internally here at Sky Scaling, it's the process we use with all of our clients as well. And yeah, so essentially it's what we use for everything. So the first step is the ad, right? So we run all the ads for all of our clients' campaigns on their behalf. So if you work with Sky Scaling, you don't have to do your own videos. You don't have to even, understand how to do scripts or have a Facebook page. We handle all that stuff on your behalf. So we run ads targeted to attract buyers or recruits, depending on what your goals are, what you're optimizing for within your business. Then, we get those people that click on the ad qualified. So we always have them go through somewhat of a qualification process. So again, just normal marketing structure. We always use a qualification process. So you will get some people that are a lot more intentful in getting the product just as much as you'll get people that are just curious, but you need somewhat of a qualification process in the first place. So your leads complete a short survey, verify their info, and once they submit that information, you get notified. So every time you get a new prospect, you get notified directly on your phone. That way, if you want to reach out, call them right away, you can. If you don't want to do that, or if you don't have time, your prospects always have the ability to book themselves in your calendar. So that's the nice thing about working with Sky Scaling is we don't just sell you leads. Well, actually, we don't even sell leads. We work on a retainer model, but we don't sell leads on an Excel spreadsheet. By working with us, we build your own system from A to Z. So by working with us, you get access to your own calendar page, and that's how people can book themselves directly in your calendar. So from there, interested prospects can book themselves directly with you. If they don't do so, on top of, again, you potentially calling them, by working with us, you get your own AI assistant that will be able to reach out to these prospects, try to engage in a conversation with them, and get them booked through an SMS conversation. So AI assistant is going to get more bookings. From there, meeting gets booked. Usually it's a 15-minute discovery phone meeting. For production, for recruiting, we book people in directly for a 30-minute Zoom call. But if you're doing production, which was the optimization in this campaign, we get people to book a phone call with you. From that phone conversation, obviously that's the discovery aspect. You figure out, just kind of break, the ice, build trust a bit. And then from there, if you see there's even a potential fit, you can reschedule them in for a financial analysis meeting on Zoom, in most cases, where you can show them illustrations and do the financial needs analysis. So meeting happens, and from there, obviously, you do your own thing. Client comes through, gets the product, and from that new client, you can also build referrals, which is exactly what happened in this case. Got the husband, and the wife also needed insurance, so we got sort of a 2-for-1 deal with this client. So that's exactly how it works. Now I'm actually going to show you the exact video that I've been running on this campaign. So here it is. It's actually me. There we go. It's my old face on this mortgage insurance ad. So let me just play this and mute myself for a few seconds. There we go. Boom. If you have mortgage insurance through your bank in Canada, there's a really good chance that you are overpaying, and that is every single month. You see, when you bought your house, your bank probably slided in mortgage insurance while you were signing paperwork. And here's what they don't clearly explain. As you pay your mortgage down, obviously your balance drops, right? And because your coverage is tied directly to your mortgage, well, your coverage drops as well. but your payments and what you're paying on a monthly basis stays the exact same through the whole course of your mortgage. And so every single year, you're paying the exact same premium for less protection. And over time, that adds up to thousands of dollars. And so you might be wondering, what's the solution? An independent mortgage insurance policy. With that, your coverage stays the same. The money goes to your family if something happens, not the bank. And in many cases, it actually costs less. So here's a quick example. We recently reviewed a homeowner that was paying about $92 per month for mortgage insurance through the bank. And after switching, she's now paying around $57 a month, and that is with better and stronger coverage. Sorry, I was muted. That is actually a real case study from one of our clients that I included in our marketing material. Just wanted to clarify. And so that means same mortgage, better structure, and real savings. So if you want to see whether you qualify for this and what this would actually cost you compared to the bank, all you have to do is click on Learn More down below. It takes a few seconds. There's absolutely no obligation, no commitment, and we will show you black on white exactly how much you are overpaying and how much you could save. So again, click on Learn More. There's absolutely no commitment. See if you qualify and get your quote. Talk to an advisor. Bye-bye. There we go. So if you want to steal this script, go for it, and use it on your own benefit. But that's the exact video that I was running for this campaign for that specific client. And that's how our client was able to make $5,400 in 2 weeks from just about $600 of ad spend. So if you have any questions, you can always reach out to our team. We're here for guidance. If you want to see if this could potentially work for your business, you're in the insurance business in Canada, go to skyscaling.com/contact, book a call with our team. It's a 15-minute phone discovery call. We'll just kind of gather a bit more info about your business, and we'll tell you exactly what it entails, both financially and process-wise, to work with Skyscaling. So that's pretty much it. It's been Gabriel. Absolute pleasure. Thank you. And again, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Best of luck. Bye-bye.